guys, welcome back on the desk. On Friday I shared this Friday freebie. So is a collection of embellishments. So there are rectangulars, stamps full of birds from all different parts of the world, and they all kind of match except those four on the bottom here because they were from a separate collection. But to give you the best options, I'm merging all together. So you've got 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. That's 6 times 4, 24. So on that video on Friday, which again, if you guys have missed it, I will put the link down below. I've asked you if you want me to make some stamps out of it to show you how to make it. Now, making 4 stamps are the easiest thing on the planet. But we're going to be a bit of extra today. We're going to have a bit of fun. We're going to make a very detailed stamps. So the first thing I'm going to do, which I'm going to do off camera, is literally fussy cut. I think I'm going to do, I won't do them all because I won't use 24 stamps. But I'm definitely going to do this 4 because I want to show you what different effect you would get with this 4. I think I'm going to do this 4 there and those 4 there, and to give you some ideas. Okay, so let me fussy cut it first and I'll be right back. Okay, so I fussy cut them all. Now they measure 1 by 2 inches. What traditionally I would normally do, I glue the image first and then I cut it with the scissors. But what I noticed, there was a lot of wastage of paper. So this time what I've done, I cut myself some rectangulars. For some reason few are smaller and I don't know why, because I thought I measured it. Well, I didn't measure it right, clearly. Anyway, so they should measure 1.5 by 2.5. So that will give a ½ inch to glue them, and then with your scissors to cut them. Okay, so I don't understand why these are smaller. You see, I must have cut them wrong. Oh well, we not aim for perfection, we're just having fun. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to glue them all. Yeah, and I'll be right back. Okay, so you just need a pair of scissors with a scallop there. I have no idea how would you call them. So, and then you just simply cut them like that. All the way around. And that should give you the stamp texture. Gonna do a couple with you, and then do the rest off camera. So that's that. Do one more. Let's do him. These scissors were gifted to me from an Happy Mail, but I guess check your dollar store, your Poundland, your craft stores, very cheap. Because once, to be fair, even Amazon, I'm sure they sell them, or eBay or anywhere. I got a few with different texture. So I've got this one that's slightly different. So that's probably scallop, and that is a proper like zigzaggy. So yeah, right guys, I'm gonna cut them all and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've got my mat. This is just simply like papers from Stampin' Up. I have this for absolutely ages. So I'm going to use these stamps. This is from a stamp magazine. I can't remember which one was it. I have this for absolutely years. I know you saw me guys using these stamps for a long time, but you got to use what you have. There's no point for the stamps to be sat on the shelf in your house, so go and use them. So today I'm going to use this one here and the stamp that says Vintage Stamp 1924. So I'm going to peel them off if I try. So I'm gonna use that one, oopsie daisy, and that one, brand new. That's why they're a bit hard. And instead of printing with black ink, we're gonna be a bit extra today, and we're gonna make them in gold. Now, let me have a look. Which gold powder have I got? My lovely Julie, she lives next door to me, literally next door, my right hand side. She gifted me, she's got an amazing craft room. Hi Julie, if you're watching. So she gifted me a lot of powders, embossing powder. So I've got copper, which maybe, and I want a gold, but it's got to be very dark gold. What's that? Black, clear. Need that. I need that. So I think it's probably that one there. Oh, let's have a look. Oh, look how I love that. Wow, look at this glitter. What's that? Oh, brand new gold. Yes, I think we're going to use this. So what we're going to do, guys, I'm going to do it off camera because my plug is on the wall. It's literally there. It's going to be awkward for me to film it and use the embossing gun to make it dry, but you get the gist. So I can't believe, Julie, you naughty girl, this is brand new. So okay, I'm going to use them both because I think we need something a bit dark, especially on those ones where the actual design, the colors are quite dark. Not so much on this 4. In fact, we might do those 4 in gold and those 4 in copper. I decided. Right, I'll be right. Hey guys, what do you guys think? So let me show you the copper first. I do prefer the gold one, but that is a personal preference, only because I don't dislike the copper, but I think the gold and the brown go better together. But again, you can use blue, you can use green, you can use any colors, because on the actual bird's picture there's so many colors. You don't have to use metallic colors, embossing powders. You can use what you have, and then especially if you want them to be more like colorful, I would probably suggest have a try, have a go. It's a shame because I do love playing with embossing powders, but I don't seem to do it a lot of it. Or if I do it like all in once and then forget about it for about another year. So expect this week more embossing powders situation. And because they're not perfect and they're very tactile, which is I really like. Okay, what do you guys think? What's your favorite, the copper or the gold? Another thing you can do if you wanted to, you can go around the edge and emboss the edge as well. Not all of it, just maybe some marks every now and again, because where is it? This one here. You see the bit of gold there? Focus on me, yeah. And I think it's quite nice to have a little splatter. So just an idea. Right. You guys now saw what to do with the freebie, so in case you missed it, going back to my Facebook group, and I'll show you in a second where. Okay guys, so this is my Facebook group. So once you're in, you scroll down, so you see all the posts from the lovely crafters. So this is post from Wendy that made a folio using some of my papers. That's my post about the Easter kit. Again, there's loads of creators that, this is Julia, that she recently joined my VIP membership. Thank you, Julia. Again, all other crafters, they share the video tutorials and of course all my freebie. Okay, so it's a very interactive platform. I really recommend, if you guys are on Facebook, to join us, because you get tons and tons of ideas. So where do you find my freebie? So if you click on files there, you see all the freebies that I have shared in date order. Okay, so from the most recent to the most old ones, and there is like about 3 years worth of freebies. So come and join us there, and what you do is simply click in there and then download. Okay, so yeah, so if you missed the freebie, get it and have a play and have a go at making those. I saw on eBay somebody actually sell this sort of stamps like that. They actually say folk stamps. You can see they're handmade because you've got similar stamps on what I have, so they could be cute craft fair ideas as well, or to ship out for my happy mail like I will do. Okay guys, the code to have 30% absolutely everything is BDay30. Okay, this code is valid all month from the 1st of April to the 31st of April, and that give a 30% off absolutely everything. Happy crafting and happy shopping. Okay, so this is my website. Don't forget that you can use the 30% code across my fine art pieces. So my fine art pieces gets shipped to you. They are printed. Those two are A5 in a watercolor paper, and this is on an A4 watercolor paper. They get print out and shipped to your home address, free delivery. Okay, so you will have 30% discount on those as well. You also get 30% discount on my ebook. Is called The Artful Chaos or Imagined Memories, a guide to beautiful junk journals, and of course my book Blattified junk journals workshop, that you get the papers and the video tutorials, and of course all my digital papers are 30% off using the code. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a really big huge thumbs up. It really helps with my journey here on YouTube. Just a reminder guys, that on April, throughout the full month, from the 1st of April to the 31st or 30th, I think it's 30th, I have a sale on my website, because April is the month of my birthday, it's the month of my channel's birthday, and also it's the month of my business birthday. So I've got 3 big birthdays throughout the full month. So it's a way for me to say thank you to every single one of you. So yeah, just go to my website and have a look and treat yourself. I will put another video here on the screen guys, so if you wish to carry on watching for more ideas and inspiration, please feel free to do so, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.